Still more of a release and keep the stirrup on the ball of your foot. Go ahead. Come on, you do this one. Can we do it again? Let's go on that. Lead, break and change in the corner, or not. I looked your second, you missed it. Come back to the whole line again. You didn't catch your lead after the jump, I asked you to. Stirrup on the ball of your foot. So I want you to look to the second one of your line over your first. Much better. Now to your single. Lead. Break and change in the corner. When I say change your lead, I mean it.